Introducing Yale Assure Lock 2 Plus. It features Apple Home keys, so you can use your iPhone or Apple Watch to lock and unlock your door. You might be wondering, what's the difference between HomeKit and HomeKey? Apple HomeKit technology enables you to easily and securely control accessories that are compatible with Apple Home, such as lights, doors, thermostats, and of course, your Yale Assure Lock 2 Plus. With HomeKit, you can use the Apple Home app to manage your smart home. You can even ask Siri to unlock your door. And just like it sounds, Apple Home keys are digital keys that live in your Wallet app, letting you unlock and lock your door with your iPhone or Apple Watch. To set up HomeKit, open your Home app and tap Add Accessory. Enter the 8-digit HomeKit setup code, found on the side of the lock under the battery cover or on the Quick Start Guide. After entering the code for your lock, adding it to a room, and naming it, a home key will be automatically added. And if you enable Express Mode, you receive 2 benefits. 1. Just hold your iPhone near your lock to unlock the door. And 2, your iPhone has a power reserve that will still allow you access to your home keys for up to 5 hours after your iPhone needs to be charged. To share your home key with trusted family and friends, open the Home app. Invite people. Send invite. The activity feed in the Yale Access app will track who comes and goes. You can also see this activity history in the Apple Home app.